Ever feel like your crypto is just floating out there? Like it's not really yours? You're not alone. Many people, especially as they start accumulating more significant amounts of cryptocurrency, begin to think seriously about security. And that often leads them to one place: hardware wallets. But the process of moving your crypto from an exchange like Kraken to a hardware wallet can seem daunting. Where do you even begin? What if you make a mistake? That's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. We're going to walk you through, step by step, how to transfer your crypto from Kraken to a hardware wallet, ensuring your precious digital assets are safe and sound. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk briefly about why this is so important. When your crypto is on an exchange like Kraken, it's essentially held in a custodial wallet. Think of it like keeping your cash in a bank. The bank is generally secure, but it's still a third party holding your money. With a hardware wallet, you become your own bank. You control the private keys, which are the cryptographic codes that prove ownership of your crypto. This gives you unparalleled control and security. If the exchange gets hacked, or even shuts down, your funds are safe because they're not on the exchange. They're in your possession, secured by your hardware wallet. Now, let's get into the actual transfer process. For this tutorial, we'll be using a Ledger Nano S, which is a popular and well-regarded hardware wallet. The process is similar for other hardware wallets, but there might be slight variations in the interface. The key concepts, however, remain the same. First, you'll need to set up your hardware wallet. This involves plugging it into your computer, installing the necessary software, and generating your seed phrase. This seed phrase is absolutely crucial. It's a list of 12 or 24 words that acts as the master key to your crypto. Write it down on the provided recovery sheet and store it in a safe place, ideally multiple safe places. Do not take a picture of it, do not store it digitally. If you lose your hardware wallet, you can recover your funds using this seed phrase. Conversely, if someone else gets access to your seed phrase, they have access to your crypto. So, treat it like the crown jewels. Once your hardware wallet is set up, you'll need to install the specific app for the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if you're transferring Bitcoin, you'll need the Bitcoin app. This app allows your hardware wallet to interact with the Bitcoin network. Now, let's head over to Kraken. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the withdrawal section. Here, you'll select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, in our example, Bitcoin. Kraken will ask you for the withdrawal address. This is where your hardware wallet comes in. Go back to your hardware wallet and open the Bitcoin app. Your hardware wallet will generate a receiving address. This is a unique address specifically for receiving Bitcoin. It's like your bank account number, but for Bitcoin. It's crucial to double-check this address. Hardware wallets often have a feature that displays the address on the device itself. Compare the address displayed on the device with the address shown on your computer screen. They must match exactly. This protects you from malware that might try to replace the address with one belonging to a hacker. Once you've confirmed the address, copy it and paste it into the withdrawal address field on Kraken. Again, double-check everything. A small mistake can result in the loss of your funds. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Kraken will likely ask you for two-factor authentication. This is an extra layer of security, and it's highly recommended that you have it enabled. Enter the code from your authenticator app. Now, you'll specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Be aware of any withdrawal fees that Kraken might charge. These fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. Once you've confirmed all the details, initiate the withdrawal. Kraken will process your request, and the Bitcoin will be sent to your hardware wallet. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on the network congestion. You can track the progress of your transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain. There are various block explorers available online that allow you to search for transactions using the transaction ID. Kraken should provide you with this transaction ID. After the transaction is confirmed, the Bitcoin will appear in your hardware wallet. You can view your balance and transaction history through the hardware wallet's interface. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns. What if I enter the wrong address? Unfortunately, if you enter the wrong address, your crypto is most likely lost forever. This is why double-checking is so crucial. What if I lose my hardware wallet? If you have your seed phrase, you can recover your funds on a new hardware wallet. What if I forget my PIN? Most hardware wallets have a recovery process for forgotten PINs, but it usually involves resetting the device and using your seed phrase. One important point to remember is to always keep your hardware wallet's firmware up to date. These updates often contain security patches that protect your funds from vulnerabilities. Transferring your crypto to a hardware wallet is a crucial step in securing your digital assets. It gives you control over your private keys and protects your funds from exchange hacks or other unforeseen events. While it might seem a bit technical at first, the process is actually quite straightforward if you follow the steps carefully. Remember, double-check everything and never share your seed phrase with anyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.